Hi students, welcome to Kribai Tuition Center. Now we will see fractions in detail. Now, if you are very clear with the concept of fractions, then only you will be able to understand the ratio concept easily. Now moving on into the concept, say for example, you are celebrating a birthday party. So you have got a square cake and you are putting that into equal pieces. Now, how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 pieces are there. Or you can say like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 into 4 equal to 16 equal pieces. Now, 10 friends came to the party, out of which 7 are girls and 3 are boys. Now you are giving one piece to each friend. Okay. So how will you represent that in fraction? So a friend receives one out of 16 pieces of cake. Okay. So one part out of 16 pieces given to a friend. Now, how many parts, or you can say, we can ask next, dash part is given to girls. Now, for girls, how many pieces are given? So, 7 girls are there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7 out of 16 part is given to girls. Dash part is given to boys. So how many boys are there? 3 boys. So 3 out of 16 part is given to the boys. Now you will represent the fractions like this. Now we will see another one example. You have a cupboard in your house with 5 racks of equal size. It can be either of this type or like this. So 5. Out of which 2 racks are arranged. Now, represent the fraction for not arranged. So, out of which 2 racks are arranged. So, how many racks are not arranged? 3 racks are not arranged. So, how will you represent fraction for that? 3 out of 5 part is not arranged. Understood? So here say 2 racks are arranged. So you have remaining 3 to be arranged. So 3 out of 5 part is not arranged. Not arranged. Now definition of fraction. Fraction is a number representing part of a whole. Now what is a whole? A whole may be a single object or a group of objects. Now see, Kavita has 5 chocolates and she gave 3 to her sister. Now how will you represent this in fractions? 3 out of 5 part is given to sister. Now here 3 is called the numerator and 5 is called the denominator of a fraction. 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. Now practice time. Test your knowledge. Pick out the denominator and numerator in each of the following fractions. Write them in the respective boxes. Now I wanted you to write the answers and then check with what I write now. So you need to write what is the denominator and what is the numerator for this particular fractions. I have given you 3 fractions. Now over. So now let me write the answer. The denominator is 6. Numerator is 4. Denominator is 12. Numerator is 7. Denominator is 20. Numerator is 13. Next, in the given string of beads, number of white beads is equal to dash, number of black beads is equal to dash. So in this given string, how many white beads are there? Did you write the answers? So check your answers. It's 2. Number of black beads is 3. Next, write the fractions representing the shaded portion. So I have given you 3 sums here. Now quickly write the fractions for this. Seeing the diagram, write the fractions. Now you will check the answer with me. So how many are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 out of 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shaded. So 4 by 10. Here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shaded. So 5 by 9 part. So this is representing the shaded portion in fractions. Next, color the part according to given fractions. So I have given you 5 pictures here. You need to color it according to the fractions given at the side. Now do it fast. Now we will check the answers. 3 out of 4 parts. So here you have 4 parts. We are going to color 3. Any 3 you can color. Next, 5 out of 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 6 parts is colored. 2 out of 8. 1, 2. So 2 out of 8 parts. 2 out of 3. So 1 and 2. So 2 out of 3 parts is colored. 3 out of 8. 1, 2, 3. So 3 out of 8 parts is colored. Next, write the numbers from 1001 to 1021. Find the fraction of the even numbers from the list. So you need to write the numbers from 1001 to 1021 and pick out all the even numbers and find the fractions from the list. Done? You can pause the video, you can do it and then check my answer. Now we will write the solution here. 1021. So I started with 1001 and ended up with 1021. Now I will circle the even numbers. 1002, 1004, 1006, 1008, 1010, 1012, 1014, 1016, 1018, 1020. So, see how many numbers are there in the list? 1 to 21. So, there are 21 numbers in the list. Out of which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 are even numbers. So, 10 by 21 is the fraction. Next, what is the fraction of 5 hours in a day? In a day, you have 24 hours. So, 5 out of 24 is the fraction of 5 hours in a day. Now, we will see fractions less than 1 on the number line. Okay. Till now, whatever fractions we have seen are all the fractions that are less than 1. Now, on the number line. First, I am going to represent half in the number line. So, see 0 to 1. Now, half. So, I am splitting it into equal halves. So, I am splitting it into 2 parts. So, this is 1 out of 2. So, here you have 0. This is nothing but 0 out of 2. 0 divided by anything is 0. Here you have 2 out of 2 parts. So, 2 by 2 is 1 whole. So, this is representing half in the number line. So, this is 1 half and this is another half. Next, 1 by 3. Take a line 0 to 1. 1 by 3. 1. I am going to split it into 3 parts. 1, 2 and 3. Now here it will be 1 by 3. This will be 2 by 3. This is nothing but 0 by 3, which is 0. And here 3 by 3 is nothing but 1. So this is 1 by 3 part. This is 1 by 3 part and this is another 1 by 3 parts. So we have splitted the number line into 1 by 3 parts. Now practice time. This sum you will do it by yourself. Plot 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 on the number line. Finished. We will do it now here. So 0 to 1. We will split it into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. Now representing these fractions on the number line. 0 by 4. So now here 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 on the number line. Now, all the fractions we have learned so far are less than 1. So, any fraction that is less than 1 is called proper fraction. How will you identify a proper fraction? In a proper fraction, the numerator is less than the denominator. Now, a way to share. Now Satya and Madan is having 3 govas with them. Okay. Now they wanted to share it equally among them. So Satya and Madan. Now you can also think how to share this equally among Satya and Madan. Now Satya thought of a way. What she did is, she kept 1 gova with her and 1 gova to Madan, and took 1 gova and cut it into 2 halves, and 1 half she kept and 1 half she gave it to Madan. So totally Satya got 1.5 part of gova and Madan got 1.5 part of gova. So they both shared it equally. Is it right? This method is right? They have got equally? Fine. Now, this type of fraction which is having a whole and a fractional part is called as mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a combination of a whole and a fractional part. Now, Madan thought of another way. What he did is, he cut all the 3 govas into half and gave it to them. See, half to Satya, half to Madan. Then here, took this gova, cut it into half to Satya, half to Madan. This gova is also cut into half to Satya and half to Madan. Is this correct? Yes, right? So this is what you can see. What is this? 1 by 2. Am I right? So here 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2. So each one is getting what? 3 by 2 part. So 3 by 2 part is given to Satya and 3 by 2 part is given to Madan. So this type of fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called as improper fraction. The fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called improper fraction though. So this 3 by 2 is called improper fraction. So now see, in the first method, Satya split it as 1.5, 1 whole and a half. In the second method, Madan split it into half. So each gova is split into half. So each of them got 3 by 2. Now on comparing the first method and second method, what you can write? 1.5 is equal to 3 by 2. Now this is called mixed fraction and this is called improper fraction. Now let us see the conversion. How to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction? Multiply the denominator with this whole. So 2 into 1 plus numerator divided by 2, which is nothing but 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2. So the mixed fraction is converted into improper fraction. Now how will you do this in vice versa? How will you do this improper fraction into mixed fraction? Divide this 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2. So you will get a remainder 1. Now take it in the reverse way. This 2 will come down, 1 will go up and this 1 here. So 1.5. So 3 by 2 is converted into 1 by 2. Now we will represent improper fraction on the number line. Improper fraction are greater than or equal to 1. So from this 1 itself it will be improper fraction. It will be greater than or equal to 1. So this is improper fraction. Greater than 1 is 1 or greater than 1 is improper fraction. Now, can you note what about this 0 by 2 and 2 by 2? Now, 0 by 2 is nothing but 0. Note that 2 by 2 is nothing but 1. Now, practice time. Draw the number line and locate the points on it. List out the proper and improper fraction after locating the points on the number line. Now do it and then check your answers with me. Here it is given 5. So, I am going to split this one part into 5. So, 5 by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is nothing but 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. You can take 1 centimeter on your scale. 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5. Now locate the points. 2 by 5. It's here. 3 by 5. 8 by 5. 4 by 5. Now, write down the proper and improper fractions. Proper fractions 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5. Now, improper fractions 8 by 5. Note that 5 by 5 equal to 1 is also improper fraction. Now, here from this list, improper fraction is 8 by 5, proper fraction is 2 by 5, 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now, change into improper fraction. So, the whole into denominator plus numerator divided by the whole. So, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 3 by 4. 15 by 4. Okay. 7 2s are 14. So 14 plus 5 by 7. The 7 you need to write it here. So that is nothing but 19 by 7. Next, change into mixed fraction. Now divide this 16 by 3. 3 5s are 15. Remainder is 1. Now write it in this way. This 3 will be put here. This 1 will go on the top and this 5 will come here. So this is mixed fraction. Now 13 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Balance 3. 5 will come down. 3 will go on the top and 2 will come to 6. 2, 3 by 5 is the mixed fraction of 13 by 5. Thanks for watching.